Buongiorno. Actually, it's good evening. Buonasera. I'm still in Turkey, and that's Iraq. I'm riding along the border, coming from Hakkari, heading toward Shirnak, where I will sleep tonight, and tomorrow I will cross the border with Iraq, and I will spend, I guess, 1 week more or less in the north part of Iraq, so in the Kurdistan basically. Morning I didn't record anything because I was passing at around 3,000 meters. I was freezing, the coldest day ever. So my voice was trembling, it was not possible to talk, and also my head was shaking because of the cold. So then it started raining. And then I started coming down, approaching the border with Iran first, and now with Iraq. And you cannot imagine the quantity of military checkpoint. So not a good idea to wear a camera. Now I'm 75 kilometers to Shirnak, which is the place I will sleep tonight. All the area along the border with Iran and Iraq is the closest to war zone I've ever been in my life. You cannot imagine the quantity of military checkpoints, heavy military vehicles, military buildings on the mountains, control towers. So really weird feeling. Tonight I will have to leave the drone at the hotel because it's strictly forbidden to get into Iran with the drone. On top of being forbidden, just a few days ago there was an attempt to kill the Prime Minister of Iraq with the drone. Okay, for sure not with the Mavic Mini, but still. In any case, I will go and come back from the same border crossing, the same gate, let's say, and I will have to pass through the same city in the prosecution of my travel here in Turkey. So the best and safest idea is to just leave the drone at the hotel and picking it up when I will leave Iraq and come back in Turkey. Hey! I think they are not exactly used to see foreigners, especially with the motorbike here around. Such a nice people here in Turkey, so warm, welcoming, gentle. And so, seriously, what's wrong? Something is wrong. Okay. Now I need to find another way. We have a problem.
Diyorsun buradan 100 metre nasıl diyeyim sana ya? Ha, dur bir dakika. Yaptık sana.
Bu yol kapanmış buradan.
Yeah, yeah.
Sol. Sol şey yapabiliyorsun orada.
Can you show me
Bak
here?
ha buradan bak. Ha buradan gideceksin.
Ah, okay.
Evet,
There.
buradan gideceksin. Ha buradan gideceksin. Buradan direkt böyle arkadan gidiyor. Böyle
Okay.
ta böyle dönüyor arkadan gidiyor.
Okay.
Sen ona göre takip etsen gidersin. Okey orası.
Okay. So
Okey
here.
okey okey.
Here.
Okey.
Perfect.
Sana
Thanks.
sen olmaz.
Buradan ya.
Okay. Thanks. Perfect. Thank you. Hey. Okay, so I was saying 500 meters. Already passed. Ah, okay. Should be here. Ooh.
Accident.
Stop.
Yes. موت عارف موت. وأشهد أن لا حياة في هذا. شيء هذا شيء. أوكي. ما تدري شيء باردة. هذا رضا فيه فيديو شيء. إيه.
Aha, ja.
لا biliyorum tarif ediyor. Tarif'i anlatıyor. Arabana gidiyor. Köprü var ya orada. Değil mi? Ya mesela. Hemen kabul.
Welcome to Iraq, or to Kurdistan if you prefer. But I still have to cross the gate. Guys, the most confusing... Wait. The most confusing and confused border crossing ever. You cannot believe. I managed to cross, but believe me, I don't know how. It was 1 hour and a half going upward, then coming back, then going on the other side, then coming back, then going in the same office before, then in another one close but not the same. I don't know, 10, 12 stages, something like that. But okay, it's important that I managed.